Going live in just a second. Here we go. There we are. Hey, so I have this adorable plant with me because someone was giving them away in San Francisco because Sunday is Earth Day. That's April 22nd, 2018. And besides my new friend, whose name is Eileen, for obvious reasons, uh, I have a couple of other exciting announcements for you. First up, we have two contests that are launching. One of them is with Seed. It's called Seed for Earth 2018, and you can win all kinds of cool stuff. This one is for anyone to enter, and submissions close in 29 days on May 19th. You could win a trip to Shenzhen, Maker Faire, as well as tons of other cool stuff like an Amazon Alexa Echo, and other stuff like a Seed environmental kit. I love the Seed Grove kits because they make it really easy for newcomers to hardware.
I don't know that one.
Alexa, be quiet. Oh no. We have an Echo in the office and sometimes she interjects. Okay, yeah, so Seed Grove kits, though, they make it really easy for newcomers to hardware to create their own prototypes without a lot of technical experience, and there's great tutorials. All of the sensors and modules and actuators are connected with a very standardized connector, and there's example code for all of them, so that it makes it really easy to just plug and play stuff together and build whatever you want. And it's sort of, obviously it's not going to be super polished, but that's the first step of prototyping, is to make a works-like, right? A prototype. And you can still make things with the Grove kit that look super polished and great. So we have faith that you can use these tools to create something that will help the Earth and inspire your fellow humans to be better at it. Check out the list of things that are supported in this contest. Actuators, we've got buzzer, mini motors, relays, water atomizer, a speaker. We've got sensors, sunlight sensor, loudness, high temperature sensor, dust, barometer, air quality, UV, water sensor, all kinds of cool stuff. And there's 4 different controllers that you can use. So check this out. It's at Hackster.io/contest/Seed Earth Day. That's got 3 E's, and they're all one word. This sunlight is really shining in my eyes, so my own personal sunlight detector is really working well. Next up, we have Sensing the Earth with the Sigfox Universities Challenge. Sigfox is a super cool company that create this great communication protocol for IoT, so it's not dependent on Wi-Fi, for example. It's its own radio protocol, and it makes it really easy for you to make your sensors and actuators talk to each other over distance. So this is actually for university students, so if you are not a student, you can still participate, but you will be signing up as a mentor, which would be really cool. Like, people who mentor people in hardware are awesome people. And it's all about, the greater good, right? So, but it's also really fun to see what people are working on and help them with it. You can help build the future. So the first 10 projects is phase 1. They pick the top 10. You get interviewed online, and you get a development kit of your choice: Arduino, PyCom, ST, or Yadom, which I haven't heard of before. The top 3 projects, you get invited to Sigfox Connect in Berlin in October, which is really cool. You get an all-expenses-paid trip to Berlin to compete in the final competition, and you get to pitch your solution in front of a jury of IoT badasses. And then the winner gets an internship in one of the hacking houses in the USA, Europe, or Asia. That is really cool. So I'm kind of jealous. I'm not a student. It's been a while. But if I were, I'd be really excited. And I love that mentorship is encouraged as well. So this is the Sigfox Sensing the Earth Challenge. It's at hackster.io/contests/Sigfox Universities, all one word. So project submission opens for that one on April 22nd. That's this Sunday at 8 in the morning. The submission deadline is July 31st, so you have plenty of time to build your cool thing and submit it. I'm really excited to see what people come up with for this one, because It's really exciting. And if you want to hear it from the mouth of Sigfox themselves, here is Nicolas, who did stopped by a little while ago, and we filmed a promo for it, so you can find that on YouTube, and I'll put it under this in the description of this video as well. But he can tell you more about it. We really want to get you excited for this because I think, you know, one of the coolest things that we can do as people who are developing hardware is to do it in a mindful way that, you know, encourages. We're building electronics, right? One of the big goals, I think, for our community's future is to reduce e-waste and see how much we can recycle and reuse and upcycle things, as well as, you know, using our time learning electronics to build things that will be useful for the earth in all kinds of ways. You can create alerts for people to, know when they're using how much water, other things that help like distribution channels, like using wireless technology is a great way. A great thing to do with that is to help people, transport things around that will be more useful in other places. Anyway, yeah, do check those out, please. Adapt to your own plant, and have a very happy Earth Day. We will see you again on Monday. Have a great weekend. Ciao.